Hi, welcome to this video. We are going to talk about how to actually add your pin to your pages or to your blog post or even e-commerce store, how you can use the full potential of these pins and add them to your website. So if somebody's coming to your website or e-commerce store or blog post, they can actually go back and save their pin from the, let's say, blog post. They can click and save it back to your Pinterest profile, to their board, and then come back to it later when they are maybe interested in the topic, and they can save it for inspiration, which of course helps your engagement on Pinterest profile. Your pins are getting more and more engagement, more impressions, probably more clicks, because they are coming from your blog post back to Pinterest, saving your pin. So this all helps to your success on business profile on Pinterest. So we're going to talk about this in this video. I'm Michaela and I'm Pinterest manager and strategist. I want to show you in these videos, in these video tutorials I post every week, how you can use maximum potential of Pinterest for your business. And not only that, if you are if you are interested in Pinterest and you don't know where to start, let me know, book a call with me, free for 20 minutes. You can discuss how you can use Pinterest for your business, how you can grow your business, get the customers from Pinterest to your website or e-commerce store, and really monetize all this traffic in the best way possible. So let's go back to this video and see how you can actually use the pin or the pins or video pins on your platform or your e-commerce store or on your pages or blog posts, and use the full potential of this small tip. So let's go back to my profile, a business profile. You see one of my pins which I created for my freebie Pinterest guide for free. It consists of 5 most common mistakes I always see Pinterest users make when they start with this platform. It's like most common ones which I see from my experience, and they are always repeat. So you can actually, I decided to create this Pinterest guide for free. You can download this PDF on my website if you are interested. And you can just see how I actually getting also subscribers to my YouTube channel and also to my email marketing. Because if you want this Pinterest guide, you give me email, and then I can send you some emails about my work, about my Pinterest management services, etc. So this is how you can also use Pinterest to get really subscribers to your database, which is amazing. If you don't have like your email database yet, you should start as soon as possible. And the best way is to I would recommend to go with some freebies, very good freebies, like for example like this PDF, where you're giving a good content and people can subscribe also on your channel and to your email, and then you can inform them about new videos, new topics, and also sell them your services, for example, in the future. Anyway, we are here about this pin. So I want to show you about this option. Each pin on the top right corner, I mean here you have 3 dots, more options. If you click on it, you see get pin embed code, the last one. So if I click on it, each pin has this code. You can choose the size, small, medium, large, extra large. I go usually with a small one because that's enough. You can copy this code. I go back to my website, pininspiration.com. You see here, this is my free resources website, my page where actually I was talking about this guide. You can download it here, pininspiration.com/free resources. And here I actually put the part pin it for later. You already see I was trying this option here. If I want to click, this is a divi theme, but you can have different option, even WordPress or e-commerce store, any page or blog post. I just click here in my module. I add code because this is a code we are adding to the website. And I copy and paste this code. This is the pin I was just showing you on my Pinterest profile. And you see here we have 3 pins which are related to my free Pinterest guide. I will save it and I will show you how it looks like without the visual builder. In this case, as I said, it's a divi, how it looks like for all the customers, like all of you when you come to my website. So this is my free resources page. When I scroll down, you see pin it for later. All these 3 pins are connected with my Pinterest profile because you see the title here, who published it, which is me, Pin Inspiration Agency, Michaela, PDF for free, etc. All of you, when somebody comes to my website like this, they can go and save this pin to their Pinterest account, to their boards, to the most relevant board, but I can also do it. So if I go and save, click on this save red button, it will take all the information from this pin, and it probably already say, you have already saved this pin to Pinterest tips. So I have to save it to somewhere else, right? I will choose Pinterest strategies and it will go to Pinterest strategies. Because, and basically if I go here and now choose this board, Pinterest strategies, right? You will see this pin there. And the best thing about this is that basically you are driving traffic back and forward from your website, from your pages, blog posts, from your e-commerce store. You see, this is the pin I just basically pinned back from my website to Pinterest. But I put it into different board, right? But it take the correct size. It will basically take everything as it was before. Optimized pin. We have the title of the pin. We have this description here. It goes back to my website. So this is the ideal way how you can use the pins. Use them for your blog post. You can put them in the middle of your blog post or any page. As you see, this is at the bottom of my page for free resources. Anybody from you are looking at this video, you can go and save your pin for later, or you can save it and for inspiration to your relevant board, to your boards for later, and you can basically go anytime, download this PDF for free. When you have time, you just go back to this pin you already saved on your Pinterest, and this is how you gain also traffic, impressions, and engagement of your pins. So this was like a special expert tip from me, how you can use these pins and these embed codes and put them actually on your website, because that's you're driving back and forward the traffic, which is only going to help you in the long run and also in the short run, because you are basically driving traffic from your Pinterest to your website and then from your website to your Pinterest. So this is all engagement with your pins, impressions. People are clicking on your pins, saving your pins, which is a signal for Pinterest. Okay, these pins are good. I am going to show them to more users on Pinterest. So this is again Michaela. If you would like to help me, I will be happy if you subscribe here. Help to grow my channel, Pin Inspiration Agency, and I will see you in next video next week. Have a good day.